Okay, see guys, here all these deliveries in the same town or the same village. That's nice.
Navigation started. A U-turn, then turn left onto Lough Neagh Road, B183. 100.
See guys, where am I? This is a very big lake. These people live beside the lake. I don't know what is the place or the town called Toome or Toome. I don't know. 13.
Navigation started.
Okay.
U-turn, then turn left onto Lough Neagh Road, B183. 150 feet turn left.
Is it here?
Left, then in 400 feet keep right. 400 feet keep right. Keep right, then in 350 feet turn right. In 350 feet turn right.
It's like a small village, I think, and I see the owners there. One woman. Reverse. It is very clear. Thank you.
In 150 feet arrive at the destination.
And reverse, please. Just one body bag for 84. Ebook 84. Hello. And just a second, this one is gonna be first one, because I have another one. Yep. 24. Okay.
Yep. All right. Cheers.
Okay. He has two small dogs.
Navigation started. A U-turn, then in 150 feet turn left. 350 feet arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
That's what I mean, like lots of little children will be enjoying the day out, so you need to be careful. Alright, 52. Hello. $94. Hi, that's your house? Yeah, all the delivery is gonna be in one area. That's my lucky day. Okay, 3 deliveries in this area. Okay, delivery number 15. Let's go to delivery number 15.
Navigation started. Continue north. Then in 100 feet turn right.
So now it's less hot. It's not that much of heat. That's why people will be out.
In 500
Be careful.
feet arrive at the destination on your left.
Little girl in front of you. Be careful, be careful. And a new community, I guess.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
This is a new community or a new buildings, new houses. Two deliveries. 2046. That's 20. And it's 46. And that's 46. They are book folders. And that's 71. That is 71. It is low battery, guys. I need to. It is low battery. Guys.
Navigation started. Continue north. Then in 150 feet arrive at the destination.
It's very hot. Okay, there are gonna be couple deliveries here. Okay, I have bark. It's gonna be 3 deliveries. All are parcels. Okay. 64. Forty 23 64. There's 23, 22, this delivery is gonna be in different locations, so you need to be careful that you have to deliver the right one to the right place. Otherwise, you're gonna have a very beast. Oopsie. Alright, that's 75. Oh my god, that's very hot. They are beside each other. This is 63, 64. Delivery delivers in no time. Somebody smokes heavily.
Navigation started. Continue north, then arrive at the destination on your right.
To envelope one parcel. 58.98. This is 98. Let's find 58. This is 58. Parcel 56. 56. The weather gets nice. Where is house number 77? 87. Hello. And the little girl, like she said hi. I don't want to talk very loudly because I don't want to disturb this nice neighborhood.